Tuesday's Game 7 in the books after 2 overtime periods, a total of 3 teams have punched their tickets to the conference finals, and only one conference semifinal series remains. Hello everyone, I'm Drew Goldfarb. It is time to make our pick for the second Game 7 of Round 2 as the San Jose Sharks host the Colorado Avalanche. The San Jose Sharks were the only higher-seeded Western Conference team to win their Round 1 series, a series that took them 7 games to win. The Colorado Avalanche, meanwhile, sat back and waited for a bit after beating Calgary. These teams have swapped wins throughout the series, with San Jose winning every odd-numbered game and Colorado picking up the W in each of the even-numbered contests. That included a 4-3 overtime win for the Avs in Game 6. That sixth game was back and forth the whole way as Marc-Edouard Vlasic forced OT with a game-tying goal late in the third, only for Gabriel Landeskog to net the game winner early on in overtime. It was a game where San Jose could have advanced with a win, but instead saw the underdog Avalanche keep their Cinderella story alive. Meanwhile, the Sharks have played this entire series without their captain, as Joe Pavelski remains sidelined due to the injury he suffered against Vegas in Game 7 of Round 1. At the time of recording, he's listed as a game-time decision for Wednesday's game. It's been a pretty high-scoring series, all things considered, which makes the over-under of 5.5 goals an interesting wager. But as far as the game itself goes, I'm a little torn. The Avs are a striking team with a solid young group leading the way, while the Sharks are the experienced, grizzled veterans. If Pavelski plays, it should be San Jose's night. If not, Colorado's a tempting underdog to take. My gut says San Jose wins here, but I'm not 100% sold on the Sharks. It's tough in playoff hockey, much less in a Game 7, to say a team is definitely going to win by more than one goal, so I'm again steering clear of the spread. Getting the Sharks at 2-1 odds to give up a goal and a half is tempting, though, if Pavs can play. So who will be the fourth and final team to advance to the next round? Is this the year of the underdog in the NHL? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out gamblingsites.org for even more picks, tips, and how-to guides. I'm Drew Goldfarb. Thanks for watching. See you next time.